Since 1991, Replas has combined their unique expertise, manufacturing capabilities and state-of-the-art machinery to create the durable, long-lasting recycled plastic products they are known for today. With the help of the Red Cycle program, you can take your soft plastic down to your local Coles or Woolworths, where the material will be bagged up and sent to a local depot for baling to become available for Replas to turn into finished products. The soft plastic material is then placed into a large shredder, downsizing them to a more usable size. From there, the material follows the conveyors up into a granulator, downsizing them again into 40mm flakes. This is the material Replas needs to supply the next machine, densifying the material down even further. Other recycled material is then blended to get the properties and colours required for the end products. Once they've been mixed and loaded into the machine then melts the plastic and pushes it into dies that make the product. Replas is at the forefront of technology and boasts a range of cutting-edge machinery tended by the latest fully automated robotics, ensuring they operate with a high degree of efficiency. The robotics allow Replas to make products with minimal human intervention, keeping the prices as low as possible. The robots go as far as stacking the products onto an end pallet, ready for shipping. Our bollards provide a rigid, resistant barrier to define boundaries, deter vehicles and pedestrian access. Our decking, known as EnduroPlank, is suitable in a variety of ecosystems and applications. The easy-to-install system provides a sturdy, long-lasting solution. Our fencing is comprised of recycled plastic bollards and picket fencing for a hard-wearing solution for any fencing needs. Our fitness trails are unique outdoor self-guided exercise systems that are user and environmentally friendly, perfect for schools, parks and gardens. Our furniture range comprises of benches, seats and picnic settings with low maintenance aspects and built-in colour options. They offer high UV resistance, ensuring longevity. Our traffic control consists of wheel stops, rumble bars and speed humps. No rotting, splitting or cracking makes them ideal for any car park or road safety installs. With plastic use on the rise, we need to create a sustainable community that reduces, reuses and recycles plastics. At Replas, we see waste as a valuable resource and a part of making this world more sustainable. What is the environmental cost of not being involved in the circular economy? By rethinking your selection and procurement of recycled plastic products, you become the true recycler. Everyone touches plastic, and we must be more accountable and responsible if we are to drive demand for recycled plastic products.